welcome back to my channel. Let me just say that I really love this sweater. I will leave a link to this below, but it's so comfortable, guys. I really do adore it. Anyway, into this video. So I am super cold natured. That's hence the need for the sweater. And I don't like to burn my heat though a lot at night. This is the winter, but I am cold natured, so I stay cold like literally in general. So when I tell you I have found a way that I can sleep literally with completely nothing on and I am still super warm, don't wake up with no cold, no runny nose, any of that. You wanna know how? Keep watching. If you're new here, my name is Angel. I share everything lifestyle from fashion and beauty to DIY projects and home decor. So if any of that interests you, be sure to click that subscribe button or that like button and continue to follow me along the way on all the social media platforms. I'll leave my handle right here. So for the secret to staying warm all night, let's get started. One of the most important things for having a cozy, comfortable bed is your mattress. And this mattress is a NECTAR mattress, and I am doing an entire review of this mattress, so be sure to go check that out. The second thing you want to do is top it with some really high count threaded sheets. The higher the thread count, the softer the sheets, and that's what you want. So I got these hotel styled 1100 thread count sheets to add to the bed. One thing you can do is throw them in the dryer and they will get them nice and warm and soft. If you don't want to wash them, you can just literally just throw them in the dryer. For this spin cycle, I'm just using a wrinkle away. I'm using the Samsung's Flex wash and dryer, and I will do an entire review on these wash and dryers. I really do like them, and I'll tell you why in that video. And now back to the bed. So they should be nice and warm and toasty, guys. And I got these sheets from Walmart for Black Friday. I got these sheets for $29.99. You cannot beat that. Or was it $24.99? It was in the 20s. I can't remember which, but normally in the stores these are ranging anywhere from $50 to $100. So the next layer on top of the sheets, I'm going to add a blanket. This is a Ralph Lauren blanket that I purchased from Homegoods. If you don't notice, most hotel beds come with a blanket. So a blanket definitely helps to keep your bed warm. And this is a king bed, so everything is king size for me. And what I'm doing here is I'm actually looking at the lengths because I want my blanket to overlay my mattress, so I make sure to leave enough of the blanket length up top so that when I pull it back to layer it, the blanket will be longer than the sheets. So that's what I was doing. And then I'm adding a heated blanket. I picked this up from JCPenney. This is a king size heated blanket. Oh god, guys, I love me a heated blanket. Like, I have them all around my house. I have them in my living room. I have them in my sitting room. I mean, like the guest room. I mean, I love heated blankets. It's nothing like staying warm with a heated blanket. But adding one to the bed on top of the blanket, it's gonna give you, oh my god, it's just gonna add so much warmth to your bed. That's one of the secret ingredients. Because it's a king size, it has 2 plugs, so for each side. So like if your spouse doesn't want it on, he can turn his side off. That only happens, I believe, with the king size. I know it's not with the full size, so be wary of that. So I'm actually gonna top it with a quilt. This is a really thin quilt that I got from Kohl's. This is like my 3rd quilt from Kohl's. I love these quilts because they're very lightweight, so you can use them in the summer or the winter, and they're easily washable. And you guys know I have 2 dogs, so I need something that's gonna be easily washable. I can throw in the machine and, you know, clean it, and also that's not gonna show dirt very well. So I love gray. I know you notice my beds are usually gray. I love gray. I think it's just so calming. I'm not a huge fan of white. Some people are, but sometimes like in the summers, I'll add some colors into the bed. So if I have a neutral color, it's easy to add in like bright colors. Okay, so now it's time to pull it back. I pull the quilt back, and then I pulled the blanket back. And as you can see, when I was measuring, I wanted my blanket to be longer than the sheet, which is why you want to pull your blanket up higher than your sheets, so that when you pull it back, It's nice and layered, and the lengths look really, really good. Now for the pillows, I picked these king size microfiber pillows up from Kohl's. I believe they were $7.99 each, and I really have become a huge fan of these Kohl's big pillows. I use them on my queen size bed, and they last like longer than most pillows. We also have 2 pillows that we got with the NECTAR mattress, so they're memory foam, and they are amazing for your neck and works really wonders for your back as well. So I picked up these Euro shams from Kohl's as well, and they're in the color gray, but they're silver gray. It's made of satin. I love adding different textures to my bed, furs and satins and velvets and cotton. I think adding textures to any element of your home is a wonderful idea to incorporate. And I just added these on my Euro pillows. Then I added my 2 accent pillows that I already had. And then lastly, I'm going to top it with this faux fur comforter set. And I believe I picked this up from Homegoods. I will leave information to where I got everything from below in the description box. You guys know I am going to help you out. And this is great just for adding levels and layers. When you're in bed at night and you want to turn your heated blanket off, you can literally just, you know, pull the fur blanket over you, you know, just roll it out on top of you, and it still continues to keep you warm. I think this is a great additional add, especially for the winter. So this bed literally keeps me warm all night long, whether you have your heated blanket on or off. Even when it's off and you have your layers on it, the heat stays inside the sheets and comforters and quilt. Guys, I can literally like sleep in this bed all night, and even my husband's like, this bed makes you not want to leave it. Like, it's so cozy, it's so warm. So I will also go more into depth to how I decorate my master bedroom. I know you guys haven't saw that one yet, but it's coming, so keep a lookout for that. So if I was helpful to you, do give me a thumbs up. If you decide to try out my tips, let me know in the comments. And I also have done an in-depth review of the mattress that I mentioned in this video. So if you want to know more, go head over there to that video, and I'll see you there.